Hello guys, I am Professor Shamri Dhalte. Today we learn the predictive parser in compiler construction. Firstly, we discuss the what is meant by predictive parser. That means LL1 by eliminating the left recursion and left factoring from the grammar. The resultant grammar we can obtain that can be passed by the RDP that need no backtracking is called as the predictive parser. Firstly, we eliminate the left recursion and left factoring from the given grammar. Second is predictive parser can be constructed for the class of LL1 grammar. The first L stands for the scanning input from the left to right. Second L stands for the producing the leftmost derivation. One stands for the using of one input symbol of the look ahead at the each state to make the parsing decision. It uses the stack data structure that is called as the predictive parser. Therefore, next is the four steps for solving the LL1 grammar. Then the first step is remove the factoring and left recursion. Next step is find the for all terminal and non-terminals. Third step is find the for only non-terminals, and last is the construction of the parser table. Then the first we discuss the how to compute the first in our given example. Then first is computed for the all terminal and non-terminal symbol. Now first is also compute the terminal and non-terminal symbol. Rule for the computing first is if x is terminal, then the first of x is equal to x. The first of terminal is a terminal itself. For example, first of a is equal to a, first of plus is equal to plus, first of c is equal to c. That means the first of terminal is a terminal itself. Second rule is if x belongs to epsilon production, then the first x is equal to epsilon. Third rule is if the x is non-terminal symbol and the production is x gives ax a alpha, then the first of x is equal to a if a belongs to t. Fourth rule is if x belongs to abc up to z, then the first of x is equal to first of a union first of b up to first of z including epsilon. That is the rule of computing the first of given example. Then next is how to compute follows of the given example. Firstly, follow is a computed for only non-terminals, that means the only capital letters. Rules is if s is a start symbol, then the follow of s is also else. If a gives alpha p beta, then the follow of b is first of b excepted epsilon. Next, if a belongs to alpha b or a belongs to alpha b beta, then the follow of b is also first of a. This is the steps for the solving the LL1, that means predictive parser grammar. Okay, thank you for watching my video.